Hi everybody, welcome back. I have another science experiment for you today. So we've been talking a lot about weather and experiments that we can do in a jar. So I thought today we would make a cloud in a jar. So all you're gonna need for this experiment is hairspray, some ice, a jar with a lid, and some boiling water. You do need very hot water for this experiment, so make sure that you have an adult to help you with this. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add your boiling water to your jar. You only need to fill it about halfway, maybe a little less. Then you're gonna take your lid and set it on top of your jar, and you're gonna put ice cubes on top. You only have to put a few, just enough to fill the top of your lid. Let me see if I can get 4 on top. Woo. There we go. So you're gonna let your ice cubes on top of your lid sit on top of your jar for about a minute or two. You're just going to let everything set. Okay, so we let our ice cubes and our warm water sit for a minute. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our hairspray. You do need to do this very quickly, so be careful that you don't lose your ice cubes when you do this. Are we ready? So we do need to let this sit again. So now we have our cloud starting to form in our jar. It will start to form almost instantly when you put the hairspray in your jar, but the longer that you have it sit, the more of a cloud you'll have when you take your lid off. So let's let it sit for a minute or two. Are you wondering how this experiment works? Well, when we added the warm water to the jar, some of it began to turn to water vapor. When the water vapor rises to the top of the jar, it comes into contact with the cold air thanks to the ice at the top. When the water vapor begins to condense and cool down, a cloud is able to form, but only if it has something to condense onto. In nature, water vapor can condense onto dust particles, air pollution, pollen, all sorts of things. But in our experiment, the water vapor is condensing to the hairspray and creating a cloud. Are we ready to see our cloud? We're gonna take off our lid. Wow, look at our cloud go. You can see it start to come out of the mouth of our jar. Thanks for trying this experiment with me at home. Post down below if it works for you, and I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow.